minutes we are gone fishing, and we'll tell you a little bit about the title, why we came up with that name in a little bit. But for now, just sit back. There's a little bit of reading involved, and here we go. So these are our 4 big ideas, and we had Sabrina, who can't be here today, but we have her on iChat, and we're hoping that she would be able to kind of tune in with us, but we're not sure if she's still there. We had some connectivity issues.
We've had some connection issues, so... oh, sorry. We're just going to bring in Sabrina via... We've got video of her.
Virtual screen.
Virtual, yeah. So poor Sabrina's been waiting for an hour, and we've lost connection. Oh, sorry.
Oh, you're going to have to plug in the sound.
Oh, it's a sound.
So Sabrina is actually away because she's actually, interesting enough, she's actually running a program in Singapore. She's from the Ministry of Education, and she's doing
Oh, yeah. Want to start it again?
Yeah. Sorry, it's not coming up, is it? Sorry about that.
she's doing a mentorship program for teachers in Singapore. So for all the entire ministry, she's actually helping out in the project. I know that there are 2 or 3 officers in the ministry here that's looking after the mentorship program, and they're now saying for all local schools in Singapore, we need to find mentors for technology. And she's actually one of the folks spearheading that. She's there right now doing this program.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry about that. Okay, so let me talk for Sabrina. So, we're talking about the big ideas. The first big idea is connecting, and connecting educators in worthwhile, meaningful tasks, using the Web 2.0 tools to connect, and being able to practice and model good digital citizenship while you're connecting in these collaborative global environments. And that was the message Sabrina was going to give us, how important the connection is.
For Communicate, we're talking about using new tools to communicate, new tools to express yourself. I really like, this is Prezi, of course, and it's a great tool to express, thanks. It's a big surprise, but yeah, I really like using it. It's a great way to express yourself, as I say, and for students, it's a great way to show learning. It's a different way to show learning. So using tools to communicate in different ways.
Okay, so we're looking at aiming at teachers, how to give them a collaborative learning experience and how to, in a flattened learning environment. And I think a A lot of people say, I want you to take on a global collaborative project and embed it into my classroom, which is the big idea of this presentation. But until people understand what true collaboration is, particularly in an online learning environment, it's very difficult for people to start bringing that back into their classroom or into their curriculum. So collaboration in terms of using collaborative tools, knowing how to be a reliable and responsible online learner, knowing how to keep the communication and the connections going in this medium is the big idea that we want to share and to foster as we move forward with this.
Create. This is an easy one. Everyone in this room is already creating, putting content up on the internet. And as Joseph mentioned, making, not taking, so that's a good saying. We just want to see more people creating content, sharing the culture, sharing ideas, getting out there, and encourage teachers that don't normally do this at your school to see them putting stuff using any of the Web 2.0 tools.
1 minute.
Okay. Just some examples of some Web 2 tools. These are some examples of some best practices of people that are already doing projects like we're thinking about. We've got the virtual staff room, which is by Chris Betcher, I think. Flat Classroom, which is Julie's project. The Illuminate sessions, which happen on usually on Thursdays or Fridays with Jill Hart and Sue Waters. And Jeff's Shift Our Schools podcast, which was great and I participated in last year. We also have 2 short videos that we're hoping we'll get in under a minute. The first one is our sort of branding that we just made up. Video, we won't show it to you, but it's a video that one of our friends sent us to over the internet. So, okay, we'll show both. We'll show it to you. This is our brand that we tried to come up with, and thank you very much.
All right, what questions do you have?
I'd like to know, what was it you did the text animation video on?
Keynote?
That was all in Keynote?
Yeah, that was all in Keynote.
And
And
then
we
beautiful.
exported it as a movie. And then used the movie.
I would love it if whoever did that did a little spotlight on that today for 5 minutes.
That's all this man right here.
What other questions, comments? All right, get together for your photo, guys.
Can you put Sabrina's picture on the screen?
Sabrina?
From the...
Oh, yeah. Oh, is that the other Mac? There she is.
There we go.
There she is. Sweet. Got him dead.